Hello and welcome to another one of our Parweld TVs. Today we're going to show you how to navigate into the screen of our new XTT 315Di. And we're going to select TIG welding today. So how we do that is the main screen, the center control button there operates and navigates around. Just select the one that you want in green, TIG Synergic. Now you can activate water-cooled or gas-cooled. If you have no water cooler, just go to gas. 2T or 4T is related to the torch trigger. We'll keep it on 2T. Select your material, steel, aluminium, stainless steel. We can stick with steel. Press and select. Press and select the type of tungsten, 2.4, 1.6 or 3.2. Stick with 2.4. Material thickness that you're going to weld. The minimum on a 2.4 would be 2 millimeter, and the maximum it could do is 7 millimeter. So we'll go for 4, press, and it gives you our main welding screen. Now from there, you can see it's got a little bit of a menu there. 4 millimeter thickness material, tungsten is 2.4, and we're welding on steel. And that's your amperage there on 105 amps. The little green band that you can see with a little white line there is its tolerance there. You've got right up to, it's giving you 125 amps before it starts to go into red, telling you you're out of depth there. So you can go back into the green. So as you can see also there, it says press for manual TIG. So if you press this menu selection there, it goes through a more in-depth waveform of your upslope, downslope, pre-gas, post-gas and main welding current. So you can play around with the control itself. Okay, now we're going to go back to our main screen and show you how to select a main welding torch. So we go to the main screen and scroll over to help, press help. Go to torch, which is highlighted already. And then it gives you 3 different types of buttons for your torch. You just select whichever one. Well, there's 2 buttons and 1 foot pedal. So if you use the foot pedal, click on the foot pedal and toggle whichever button that you want. Press and go back. Done. So just in case your machine comes with a different foreign language, I'll show you how to change the language. Go into the main screen again and go to help, select help, scroll over to language, select the type of language you want, select English, done. So now back onto the main screen, I'm going to show you how to set up ready for high frequency welding. So we're going to select high frequency on the main screen, gas or water cooled. So I'm going to go for gas, DC or AC, I'm going to go for DC, 2T, 4T on your torch trigger, so go for 2T, no pulse, and this is your graph showing you the upslope, downslope and welding current. So I'm going to make a change on this one, which is going to be 100. So the flashing red button, make a change onto there to 100. That's what I want. Press again. That should be saved and move on to the next one. So they're the changes made. And I'll show you into the next one how we're going to save that. Okay, so now we want to save that into one of our memories. Select memory. Select one of the options that you want to select it. And I want to override the previous one, so I want to go into M1, just saved. So now I'm going to show you how to access the memory you've just saved. So center button again, press and hold and select all the way back to the main screen. Then scroll round to memory, select it into the one that you selected it, M1, and then press. Well, thank you for watching the quick quick reference videos for the digital interface XTT 315DI. That concludes the videos for now. Thank you.